Ready, set, and go. Only 500 meters ahead of them. This is not the game of endurance, this is the game of pure will. Those first few meters are crucial to this race. Who can get the lead, who can get the psychological lead as well. In the middle of the racetrack, from Poland, Karolina Naja and Anna Puławska. They are currently third, and the third place should be quite interesting to them, as it is the final one that goes straight to the final A. Who is first? Who is first? Paulina Peszek and Julia Maria Hake. And next to them on the first line from Slovenia, Ania Ostermark and Mia Medved. Karolina Naja and Anna Puławska on the third place, but they have to watch their back because they are not alone contesting for that straight qualification to the final. For now they are speeding up, but maybe, just maybe someone else is going to try, but I don't think so. They have gained quite a significant lead on those last few meters. Maybe they are even going to be second. Yes, they are. And now, who's going to take the third place? It was quite close, I can't say for certain, but if someone asked me, I would say that Ania Osterman and Mia Medved from Slovenia were third, although we are going to have to wait for the official results. Mia Medved and Ania Osterman just barely beating Hania Pawlowa and Ludmila Kuklinowska from Ukraine. Cruz on the 4th to 7th place are going to race and semi-final, in the semi-final as well as 8th best time, which we are going to be counting together with the next hit.